Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the chapter algebraic expression and identities. Till fourth exercise we had done. Now let's start with the fifth exercise. And before starting the fifth exercise, let's discuss few identities. Algebraic expression topic we had done. Now we are starting with the identities. And I think identities you are doing for the first time. So first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third is a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. And the fourth one is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square a plus bx plus ab. These four identities you will write in the fair notebook. Now, exercise 9.5, first question, x plus 3, x plus 3. Can you tell me which identity we will use here? Which identity we will use here? Both the terms are same. First identity, a plus b whole square. Actually, this term is lying two times. So you can write it as x plus 3 whole square. So this is your a plus b whole square. The value of a is x, b is 3. And the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This left side is given. You will put these values of a as x, b as 3 in the right hand side. A is your x, b is your 3, 2a, b. X square plus 9 plus 6x.
यस मैम मैम वो आंसर देने के लिए किया था।
Okay. Bache, please read out this question again and then start solving the second part. Second part of this first question. Next is 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5. The same term is written 2 times, so it will be 2y plus 5 whole square. The value of A is 2y, the value of B is 5. A is 2y, B is 5. It will be 2A into B. 2 square is 4, y square is y square. 5 square is 25, 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20 y. So this is your answer. Yes, Ananya?
नो नो मैम, आंसर देने के लिए किया था सेकंड पार्ट का.
Start the ninth part. Start ninth part of the same question. That is again of the plus form. So that means you will use the same formula in that.
Answer is x square over 4 plus
Yes,
3
yes.
over 4y plus 9y square over 16.
X square by 4 plus 9y square by 16 plus 2ab. 2ab की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 3 by 4xy. 3 by 4xy. 2ab means 2 multiplied by x by 2 multiplied by 3y by 4. 2 will cancel. So 2ab will become 3 by 4xy. Okay. Now let's start with the negative term. Third part. Third part is 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. Both the terms are same, so we can write it 2 times as square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. The value of a is 2a, value of b is 7. So value of a is 2a, value of b is 7, 2ab. This is 4a square plus 49 minus 28a. Start the fourth part. 3a minus half, 3a minus half. Both the terms are same. Negative is there. Start this. Hurry up. 3a minus half, 3a minus half, 3a minus half whole square, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a into b. 2 will cancel out, 3a. 3a square is 9a square plus 1 by 4. You can take LCM also. Check your answer. Do seventh part. Do seventh part. 6x minus सेवंथ रहने दो, पहले ये करो लास्ट पार्ट. टेंथ 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b. 10th part 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b. Both the terms are same, so you can write them square, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2a into b. 49a square, 81b square, 14 into 9. क्या आएगा? 126 AB. कि 136. Okay. Now, the questions related to two identities we have discussed. Now, let's start with the next question that is based on your third identity. Third identity, that is seventh part, 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b same as a square minus b square. Value of a is 6x, value of b is 7. So you will put the values. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. 36x square minus 49. Do fifth part. Fifth part. Start this fifth part. Done? Done? Answer of your fifth part will be, which identity you will use here? A square minus b square. Answer will be, check your answer, 1.21 m square minus 0.16. Okay. Start sixth part. Sixth part is a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. As you have seen that this term is negative, so can I write this as b square minus a square? I have just changed the places. and this can be written as b square plus a square. Addition is commutative, so it doesn't make any difference. But this is of negative sign, so I have written it at the second place. This is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is same as a square minus b square. Value of a is b square, value of b is a square. Reverse है. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Is it okay? A की वैल्यू b स्क्वायर है, b की वैल्यू a स्क्वायर है. फॉर्मूले में a की जगह b स्क्वायर, b की जगह a स्क्वायर. तो स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4 आंसर. Is it okay now? Okay. वो वायर पुल हो गई थी. जैसे ही मैं थोड़ा सा गैप पे जाती हूँ ना, ये जहाँ पे जॉइंट है वो थोड़ा सा गैप आ जाता है उसमें. नाउ लिसन, नेगेटिव था, मैंने प्लेसेस चेंज कर दिए. c माइनस ए, बोथ आर सेम. आई हैव रिटन ट्वाइस. स्क्वायर a माइनस बी स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, c स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac. So which formula we have used here? Second. So you will write the formula side by side in the bracket. Okay. So with this we have completed our first question. Now start third question, which is same as this. So you please start third question. Do all the parts. I am waiting one by one. You will all answer me. So start third question. B minus 7 whole square. Hurry up. Sameer, you are doing the sums?
b square plus 49 minus 14b.
B square plus 49 minus 14b. Start next part. xy plus 3z whole square. xy plus 3z whole square, a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, Turanya, Sanvi. Who will tell me the answer?
And the answer is x square y square plus 9y square plus
9z
6xyz.
square. 9z square. X square y square plus 9z square plus 6xyz. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Start the next part. 6x square minus 5y whole square. 6x square minus 5y whole square. Yes, Prabsharan.
Yes, ma'am. 36x power 4 minus 60x square y plus 25y square.
36x raised to power 4 plus 25y square minus 60x square y. Okay. Start next part. Fourth part. Next part is 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square a plus b whole square. You will write the formula a square plus b square plus 2a into b. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. 2 will cancel out, 3 will cancel out, answer is 2m. So this is the answer of this question and you will write the identity a plus b whole square. Homework is exercise, write identities. Exercise 9.5, question number 1, second, fourth, second, 10th, question number 3, third part, fourth part, and sixth part. This is your homework. Start the next part of this question. Fourth part I have done. Start the fifth part. 2 more parts are there. Start the fifth part. That is 0.4p minus 0.5 q square. In between the two terms, negative sign is there. So this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Answer will be 0.16 p square plus 0.25 q square minus 0.04 pq. 0.04 pq. Okay. Start the next part, sixth part.